What is going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry. And welcome to my channel, Buy the Dip. And guys, this is the channel where we say, don't marry a stock, just date it, because you know what happens. Anyway, to the video, we got some exciting news and a big update for this stock here. It's been a long time since we talked about this one on the channel. That's right, talking about that ticker symbol APXT just for today, because tomorrow, that's right, we got the announcement. It just came out hot off the press from TJ himself, and here it is on his Twitter page. And let's go here and take a look at it. This is truly phenomenal, guys. This is a stock we talked about months ago before the big crash with the SPACs and the tech and all that. And here is TJ right here. It is truly monumental day for Avepoint. I'm pleased to announce that our business combo is official. Tomorrow we will be publicly traded on the Nasdaq as ticker symbol AVPT. Follow this thread as I prep for our bell listing ceremony. Oh, that's going to be so cool that TJ is going to be doing the bell ceremony. That is super excited. Here is the actual article right here. It says, and we'll go over this. Avepoint closes business combination to begin trading on the Nasdaq as AVPT. And here it says that Avepoint is the largest Microsoft 365 data management solution provider, announced today the completion of its previously announced business combination with Apxt Technology Acquisition Corporation, a publicly traded special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC. Apxt shareholders approved the transaction at its stockholders meeting on June the 30th, so just yesterday. The combined company is expected to begin trading on the Nasdaq on July the 2nd under the ticker AVPT, and the common stock will be AVPTW for the warrants. So I know this is one, guys, that if you followed me back when we were covering the golden nugget, that we were talking about this one here for a long time, guys. And I say, it's about time, man. As you can see, I'm still holding what I told you guys I had. That's right. It's just been setting the account as dead money in a sense. I've been bag holding this one since the crash. Being transparent with you guys, I still got 100 shares at an average cost of $14.39. Currently down 15% in this position. I'm down $219, but I'm not worried about it because I do believe in TJ. He is a great, CEO. He's very transparent on his Twitter page to the users. So I just knew I had my 100 shares. I want to ride it out to the merger, and I just want to keep this in my portfolio and see what happens. That's right. So we know this company works with Microsoft, and that is going to be something really great for the future as well. So I do want to go in this video and talk about a couple stocks that I've been eyeing up that's just been really catching my eye. And I'm thinking about wanting to pick them up, man. I was tempted today to pick this one up. So let's get in and see which share I'm really interested in picking up. And all right, guys, here it is. That's right. Wish, ticker symbol WISH, man. Context Logic. Here it is, man. This thing was IPOing out at $24. It did run up here to like 31, down into crash. This thing was down in the $7 range, and now it's back up to 12. And I was very tempted, guys, to pull the trigger on this one. This thing has a crazy amount of volume on daily. Average volume is 169 million shares traded. This thing has 11 analyst ratings here on Robinhood. It has 81.8% buy and 18.2% hold, and no analysts say that you should sell this. Here we have expected earnings are August the 11th after hours. So a lot of great catalysts coming up for this one. Now, there is a little bit of drama. There was a analyst downgrade here by Evercore. Now, here's the thing. Usually when these analysts put out their ratings, in a sense, they downgraded it. Analysts want it downgraded because they want the share price to come down so they can load back up on it. That's right. And Wish was kind of considered one of these meme stocks, like GME and AMC and things like that. And here, just as a little side note, 54,000 people is watching Wish. Now, this is one I'm very tempted on picking up. Now, I did go in here and just do a quick rundown on the Wish revenue, $1.9 billion. As you can see, Alibaba is $717 billion, Amazon $386 billion, and eBay is $10.27 billion. So Wish is doing pretty good, guys. If you don't know what Wish is, it's kind of one of those websites you get on and you buy all this random junk and it shows up at your door and you're like, why did you buy that? Well, that is Wish. That's exactly what Wish is. But people love it, man. It's addictive. You could buy this cheap, tchotchkes and junk and see whether it's good or not and go from there. Now, just a quick rundown. My man Ehor on Twitter here did just a couple hours ago the short interest numbers. So Wish short interest was 357 million. 27.10 million shares were shorted. 7.95% short interest. 7.37 of the S3 short interest float. There's only a 2.33% fee. Shares shorted are up 8 million, worth 103 million. 40.43% over the last week. Shorts are up 104 million in 2021 marks to market profit. So there's really not a big short interest in Wish. There is an article out here on the Investor Place if you want to get some quick information of why Context Logic is one of the best meme stocks. Go check it out. It'll give you a lot of information, man. I am tempted to pick up this one and hold it for a ride. Now, this is one that it could have great long-term potential, but I do see this as one with the amount of trading volume this thing gets on a daily basis, and it's kind of a Reddit-style stock. It has potential, man, and I wanted this to get down below 12s. I'm just looking to buy this one, so I'm super excited. So let's get in here and talk about a couple other stocks on the radar. All right, and I wanted to throw this one out here. That's right, SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI. My man Wanjo is really convincing me about this one. This could be one because, as you know, Robinhood just had the big press release on their revenues and their earnings, and they're going to be IPOing. And we do believe that there's a chance if people see how much revenues that Robinhood is getting, that SoFi is getting some of that as well. So this stock has a chance to run. I do know, I believe, is it Stockmo and Meet Kevin has both had positions in SoFi. So it's a great trading platform. It kind of does a little bit of everything from your stocks and everything. So this is one I have on the radar as well. All right, we're going to end it with the last one. That's right, Playboy. Now, I'm just kind of messing with you guys. It's kind of funny, though. There's a quick story on that. The ticker symbol here is PLBY, Playboy Stock, man. This is one that I'm never going to, me and my buddy Wancho talk about this one. This stock was up to $42. Was it up even higher? This thing was actually up to $54. And what's it say down here at the high point? Does it give us that? No, it don't. But it was up to $54 back here in June, guys. Now, I want to show you something. I did a video on this when it was a SPAC. That's right. And this was dated, as you see, December 6th of 2020. That was a SPAC at $10.20. Believe it or not, that video has somehow or another got some great views since then. Has 71 likes, over 1,400 views. And this is back before it even merged. It was ticker symbol MCAC. And I titled it the sexiest SPAC ever, Playboy. So that one's just kind of a heartbreaker that we covered it on the channel and we missed out. And it just kind of took off, man. Playboy has been running like crazy. It's kind of dipping here a little bit from the high of 54 down to 38. It's almost down about, was that $16? So since that high point. So it could be a great opportunity. Playboy's really turned their, branding around. They're licensing out the name. So they're getting a lot of great revenues in on that. But that's a heartbreaker. Man, I could have bought that back then at $10. And I'm kind of feeling Wish in a sense, Wish is giving me that same kind of vibe that Playboy did. Wish is kind of being overlooked in a sense. So Wish has good potential. Now, I'm kind of looking to swing trade that one. So we will see what happens, guys. I just wanted to bring these to your attention. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, smash the subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.